Welcome to the real industrial world, where technology, precision, and ethics transform raw material into global luxury.
Team Alpha, ecosystem stable. Begin morning checks.
pH 7.2, excellent range.
Distribution 100% uniform.
Healthy batch, growth curve normal.
Hydration is good. Scales consistent. Stunning complete, zero stress reaction.
Scan ID tag. Confirm this is batch H09.
Surface bacteria, 0.03%, perfectly within limit.
UV cycle complete. Send it forward to cooling. Temperature set at 14 degrees. Stabilization perfect. Add 3% mist to relax the fibers.
Edge symmetry, perfect chrysidate. No micro tears.
Seal verified. No contamination.
Temperature locked at 12 degrees Celsius. Humidity stable.
Batch H09, crocodile hide, verified.
Receiving bay. Open the unloading dock.
Brown channel stable. Send to pre-tan zone A.
Color intensity confirmed. Organic crimson pattern approved.
Check the throughput projection for the red line.
Confirmed. All parameters are optimized for transit.
Check the flow rate on auxiliary line 3. It's fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the hydraulic pressure now.
Start drum cycle C1.
Cycle efficiency at 99.4%.
Keep rotation stable. Brown, cycle 2 ready. Red, clean complete. Blue, stability okay. Mid-cycle refill complete.
Vibration stability looks optimal on the crimson red batch.
Agreed. The final rotation is nearly complete.
Check the fiber alignment on the red batch.
It's holding at 98%, well within tolerance.
We are at 61%, ramping up the cobalt flow now.
Confirmed. The red line is holding steady.
The current moisture is at 38%.
We need to hit 32% for the matte finish.
Conditioning fluid stable at 12 degrees Celsius. pH neutral.
Increase RPM by 5 for blue batch. Stabilize red at current rotation. The brown and blue meet the standard, but the red is slightly low at 88.
Agreed. We will reroute the red for reconditioning.
Stretch stable, no micro tears detected.
Perfect symmetry across the belly section.
Pressure stable 倾卸, embossing uniform. Uniform.
Viscosity stable at 1.7.
Color. 99.2% verified.
Coating uniform.
Look at the thermal gradient here. It's within tolerance. The cure cycle is proceeding as expected. Top coat 0.05 mm. Perfect. Green depth 0.12 millimeters here locked. Consistency even. Continue.
Run the diagnostic on the blue templates again.
Scan complete. We have alignment across all axes.
Excellent. We are good to go.
Trajectory locked.
Thread tension optimal.
Perfect grip.
Left/right orientation confirmed.
Shape curve. Excellent.
Each color receives its own formulated conditioner. Red jacket, warm shine. Ruby undertones deepen.
Layer deposition at 80%. Keep the airflow steady, please. We need full uniformity across all edges.
Maintain the temperature gradient. These curves need gentle heat so the finish settles without distortion.
Laser calibration set. Let us confirm there is no micro warping or finish pooling.
All products certified. 0 defects. These pieces meet premium export standards. 30-second air purification cycle. Make sure we get a clean particulate count before entering the packing zone.
Edges are clean. No fiber lift. Continue to the protective wrap station.
Seal lines are clean. Let the robots form the contours slowly to avoid pressure marks.
RFID entries confirmed. Logistics will track every move from here to the final showroom. Make sure the seals adhere flat. Any wrinkle will flag customs.
Emboss depth is perfect. These boxes look immaculate.
The fold must hold its shape when the customer opens it.
Everything's stable. Move these to palletizing.
Make sure layer 3 aligns exactly. Customs prefers geometric symmetry for X-ray scanning.
Temperature steady. These products will not warp during transit.
Bring it back slowly. Keep the truck straight with the alignment beams.
Paperwork is perfect. Send them to customs.
Locks engaged. Begin securing the cargo rails.
There you go. Good.
No anomalies. Everything clean.
Weight distribution is balanced. Seal the hatch.
Welcome to the Paris distribution hub. Let us begin intake.
All documents valid. These goods are approved for release. These are going straight to the showroom. No stops. These must be the new luxury leather arrivals. Bring them inside gently. No scratches, no impact marks. Handle with full care.
Perfect. Zero shipping marks. No compression lines. These are absolutely ready for presentation.
These go straight to the front showcase window. Make sure they are handled gently through the corridor. This color trio looks powerful. It will draw every eye on the street. Do not adjust a single light. These pieces are truly stunning. The craftsmanship is unbelievable. These items have traveled across the world. They survive inspection, transport, temperature shifts, everything.
From farm to factory to global luxury destination,